welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing a product that I recently purchased, well, one item for this product. So I just show you. I will be demonstrating how it works to clean the windows. So I have had this mop. It is a Norwex mop for several years now, and I love it for my floor, but I never really loved it for cleaning the windows because it took so much work to attach the things, to attach the window cloth, to the polish cloth to work. So I just really didn't end up using it, and I did buy it because I wanted to use it for my two-story windows that I cannot reach any other way unless I actually hire somebody or get a scaffolding, which I ain't getting on any of those. So but recently I attended a Norwex party and picked up a window cloth, and I guess this is their new one. It is a polishing cloth, and so all I have to do is attach my what is this called? This one is the anti-bac Enviro cloth for the mop, and then take it off and then use the polishing cloth to clean them up. So I'm going to demonstrate how it works on my normal windows, and then I'm also going to take you inside and show you how it works on the two-story windows that are hard to reach. I am fairly tall, so if you are a short person, this might not work, but I am 5'10", so I can reach a lot of the places. So I had wetted this one.
And now I clean, so first I go with the Enviro cloth and then I follow with the window cloth, obviously. I do love using the Enviro cloth and the window cloth, just the regular ones, to clean my windows. I think it's a great way to clean without chemicals. However, if there is mold inside your windows from the moisture buildup, because we get quite the cold weathers outside, and then the heat from the inside makes the window condense, and then it creates the mold in the corners. Now, most of the windows in my house, I have no problem with cleaning that up throughout the year, except my two-story windows. And I'm curious to see if I will be able to take it off just with the mop, or will I have to use other things to get it cleaned. I have a total of 26 windows. Some of them are huge, so cleaning the windows is a very big task. My dog was in the basement and he was barking and trying to get outside through the basement window, so that was kind of cute and funny at the same time. So like I said, I have 26 windows, and cleaning them is a big task. I like to give them a good thorough cleaning inside and out, twice a year, in spring and then in fall. Fall is more for the dust from the summer, and then in spring is more of the there's a lot of stuff on the inside from the condensation, and then some stuff from the outside as well. So it worked pretty good. There are no streaks. It was a little bit of needed a little bit of elbow grease to push it up, just because the way it is. Even with the window cloth that you use, the normal one, sometimes it's harder to push it around just because of the polishing. So I'm going to clean the rest of my windows around my house, and then I'm gonna go inside and clean that. So here I am now upstairs. I'm just going to take, this is another Norwex product that attaches to the wand. It's their duster. So I just take it and dust off all the dust. Here, as you can see, it's landing, so there's a railing here, so I can't go right up against the window. So I have to like really reach for it, and I'm just about able to make it to reach all the little corners. So then once I got all the dust off, I started to clean, and I was a little bit disappointed, but I could not get the little brown or black spots off with the mop. So I ended up going back to my dusting wand, spraying the top of it with mold and mildew remover that I use from Norwex as well, and then ended up cleaning the little corners to the best that I could. It's still not perfect, but it's better than it was. And then I ended up going over it again with the mop just because it made a mess. I did hire somebody a couple years ago to clean these, I think 2 years ago, but they made such a mess all over my walls that I really wasn't happy with it. Maybe I should try a different company. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I just thought I'd share it because I don't know. Let me know if you have two-story windows and how you clean them. This has definitely been the best option for me out there, and I'm glad that it worked. I wish it worked a little bit better, but aside from me getting in there with my hands, I don't think any other product will work as good. If you think there is a product that I can use that will get rid of those and it will reach I think there's maybe about 6 to 8 feet from the railing to the window. So if you think that there is a product out there that would reach and help me clean those black little spots, let me know down in the comment. I would love to know. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you all so much for watching.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you.